best way to find available retail spaces is to walk the neighborhoods that you're most interested in. Look for window signage and even ask local businesses. They may be able to put you in contact with their broker or their landlord that helped them get the space that they're currently in. You can also check commercial databases such as LoopNet. They have a list of available retail spaces within the city that you're looking for. And relationships with brokers would also be helpful as well. You can look at the active listings on their websites and have conversations with them. They may know of retail spaces that are coming on the line shortly, and you'll get a first peek.